Hi everyone, I am Arnab Hui and I am presently pursuing my PGDM course in IRMA in rural management. And I have done my graduation in chemical engineering from Nirma University. And after that, I am having 5 years of work experience with EPC companies, basically into process designing of chemical industries. Started preparing for MBA entrance in 2018 and I've given CAT 19. Along with my job, I used to study and I joined time. And apart from that, I quite scored around 93 percentile in CAT 19 and I tried CAT 20 also. And so the second time I did not do any classes. It was basically the mock tests and all because I had already done 1 year of classes, so I knew the pattern and all. So that was how I started preparing for my CAT. I had given 2018 CAT and I had applied for IRMA 2, but I couldn't convert in the. I was waitlisted around 350 something. So this was my second attempt at IRMA and I converted in the first list. Basically, my UG roommate, he was a participant of the 36th batch of PGDRM from IRMA. And eventually when we used to meet, he used to talk a lot about his experiences in the college, about his work internships and the curriculum, the amount kind of exposure that he's getting. So that is what intrigued my curiosity. And after that, I tried to look up what basically IRMA is, and I tried contacting my other friends who have done and the alums from IRMA 2. So that was what was my first trigger point to apply for IRMA. And once I got the opportunity to visit the campus, and then it was totally like a sure shot choice that I will try for it once more, even though I could not convert in the first place. So that was my motivation for applying it the second time too. First time, I guess I was very overconfident because I had not quite put in efforts for IRMA SAT, which is basically a very different kind of exams that is taken for IRMA. And the interview was very stress interview. I mean, the panel was literally grilling me, and I think I had shown my confidence. My confidence had broke during the interview, so that was the part which I feel did not help me to convert it in the first place. Second time, since I already knew the pattern of IRMA SAT, group activity, and the interviews, I kind of put in efforts to search up the what basically related the questions that are asked for IRMA SAT and just get some basic knowledges about it. And since I already had an edge about the process, so I kind of mentally prepared myself that this could be the questions that might be asked for me. And with just a year gap, I felt that since the experience was totally second time, so I kind of knew what would be going expected of me in the interview process and the group activities. So just I prepared mentally and hit it off. Personally, everything was, I had conjured up an image that this step will be followed by this step, and I knew that even though the interview process is very uncertain, but still I have to keep my cool and answer whatever is real, and in spite not just making up anything or anything. And eventually it happened that I recall that one of the panel members I had received in the first interview also was the similar person I had received in the second interview also. So that kind of boosted my confidence. Okay, now I've got the second chance, so I can't let go of it. And so that was it. I was prepared mentally I was very prepared, and like the steps that would come ahead and the situations that would come and how I would tackle it. So that would be I believe that was an edge for me to go ahead. I had given CAT 2020 and I feel it is basically a very psychological exam. So whatever you have prepared, just go for it and try to grab the low hanging fruits, because there will be times that you will feel that suppose when question is you're unable to solve a question, so don't take it on your ego and let it go, and don't get stuck up in any question, rather just pass it on. And for RC, I would say just scan the paragraphs, the comprehensions that you get initially, and then try to do the easy ones first and leave the second ones. and wherever there is non-negative marking, just attempt it. There is no penalty in that. And for DILR and Quant, I would say just spend initial 2-3 minutes to scan the entire paper and select the easy questions first and then attempt it. And for IRMASAT, I would say just go about reading the general knowledge of the past 1 and 2 years from the Google. You might find internet anything related to anything activities that has been pertaining to the rural sector. And so that would be it from my side, and all the very best.